Meaning of fenland.
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 Fenland. Fenland refers to an area of marshy land or a flat, low-lying region that is frequently flooded. It is typically found in coastal areas and is characterized by its rich soil, which is ideal for agriculture. Fenland is often associated with the Fens region of eastern England, which was extensively drained during the 17th century to create arable land. Today, Fenland is still an important agricultural area and is home to a variety of wildlife, including birds, insects, and mammals that have adapted to the unique wetland habitat.